Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lush Gardener. I hope you guys are fine and are safe. So sometime back I had done a propagation of the Crassula Muscosa, which is also known as the wart chain succulent, and you can see this is how the growth is. It's a very easy to grow succulent, especially if you are into making arrangements. This works out really well as a spiller as well as a filler. It looks absolutely beautiful. You can see how easy it is to propagate the wart chain succulent. I had just taken the cuttings and had put them into the soil. These do not prefer direct sunlight. You have to keep them in indirect but very bright light, and they will do excellent. Not much care requirement. The soil remains the same, loose, porous and well draining, but you can see they look absolutely beautiful. The cuttings were successful. In fact, all of the cuttings were successful. This one is slightly dried, but I think it will pick up over the period of time. But you can see now this is all the new growth that have started to come up. You can see the new growth is slightly lighter, or at times tends to look like it's variegated, but usually that is how the new growth tends to come up. So all of them are looking absolutely healthy. All of those leaves have grown, so it was a successful propagation. So if you want to create this, and these work out really well in hanging planters, over the period of time they start to trail downwards and they look absolutely beautiful. You can see the pattern of the leaves look absolutely beautiful. I'll put the image on the right hand side how it looked when I had done the initial cutting, and now you can see they're doing extremely well. It's a pretty easy to grow succulent. If you are a beginner, if you're just starting off with succulents and you want something very unique that looks a little different from our other succulents like Echeverias or Graptovarias or Graptopetalums, then this is one of the succulent that you can add in your collection. It works out really well. So guys, I hope that this video on propagation of wart chain succulent was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep propagating.